Next up, I'm at Antique Crossroads in Hagerstown, Maryland. Let's go in and see what we can find for my Whatnot weekly variety sales. Well, there's no discount here, but you know I see some stuff. One is the alley cat. I've been obsessed with finding an alley cat recently. One that's in my price range. Then you have the bittersweet vase. I love this Fenton. That's 75 firm. That seems like a good price. The bittersweet jar and the blue Blanco ashtray. Really nice stuff, but again, kind of priced at retail. So let's go into the aisles here. Well, look at this. Is this 30% off everything? Unless marked firm. Well, you know, I see this little pixie. That's $15 and 30%. It's got a little bit of paint loss, but more importantly, check out this little devil guy. He is seemingly priceless, which is probably why he's still here. Wow, awesome though. The Santa head salt and pepper shaker is 26, and the cat and dog, those are 22, 15, 30%. I feel like I could do that. Let me get a better look at this guy. Yeah, so it comes to like 10, 11 bucks. These are kind of hard to find. I feel pretty comfortable picking this up for that much, even with the little bit of paint loss. So they used to be a dime a dozen. I never find them anymore for good prices. Let's see, that's flashed. I don't want that. Oh, and I have cash. Awesome. And I also can't help but notice this planter. That's a really good one. Oh, her price tag fell out. 82. Does that say 82 or 32? No, that says 82. Just kidding. I'm gonna put that one back with the 30% off. That comes to about retail. And look, here's another little milk glass dish. That's $5 and 30%. Definitely gonna take that. The milk glass like trinket dishes that are Christmas themed are kind of hard to come by. I'm really into this impractically small basket I grabbed. What's happening here? Pair of pink reindeer, $50 for the pair and 10%. Yeah, that's a little close. Those are really spectacular. I love that they're pink. Usually just see them in white. There's something here. OP art. Does that say lucite? Looks like glass. What $125. Dude, that thing is sick. I am sure that's out of my price range, but I am gonna look that up. So it looks like after the 10% discount, that is right on brand with what those sell for. It is in fact lucite. That is insanely cool. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm really tempted just to pick it up so no one else can grab it, honestly. I really don't need that cat, but I'm having a hard time forgetting about it, honestly. Kind of hard to walk away from that, especially because the ones that are online are at the same price and sold. Oh, I just like have such a hard time buying something at full retail. I want at least 20% room to be able to sell it off if I decide to. Look at this funny thing. Is she German? Yes, she is German. $8 and 25%. That's not a bad deal at all. I'm gonna keep looking though. Kind of set my bar a little high after seeing that. That lucite freaking cat. How cool is that? Zenzele lobster. Wow, that's cool. I love that stuff. It's got a really interesting look to it. This feels like a targeted ad to my friend. I'm really into that paperweight with the flowers and that really strange shaped one. Some really pretty, unique stuff in here. Wow. Like really awesome quality. Now that paperweight is really different. The one that's got like, that's really different. Kind of into that. Yeah, there's some really different ones in here. Look at that one with the spots. That's cool. I know it's more contemporary, but I love this lampshade. That is beautiful. Good grief. Let me see if I can wiggle by it. What about this? Is really pretty. I'm sure it's so heavy. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. Not as heavy as I thought, though. Love the color and shape on that. Look at this bird thing. That's really different. Well, I was going for that vase when I saw this. Now, this $20 firm, to be honest, is a no-brainer. This eyelash style is really hard to find, and it's a taller version. I think I am gonna go ahead and pick that up in my tiny basket. Like, doesn't even fit. This is so ridiculous. Look at this. Now the cat salt and pepper shakers, those are, well, they're not salt and pepper shakers, they're just figurines. This frog thing is cool, and it's only $8. Kind of love that, even though it's newer. Now, what I was really kind of going for was this vase back here. I'm curious if this glows. It looks a little cloudy and a little dirty. I don't think it will, but let's find out. So it does have some glow to it. Unfortunately, I'm failing to notice the fact that it's chipped at the bottom. With the cloudiness and the chip, I don't think I can do 18 for that. This cat here is kind of cool. It's got a polished base too. That's neat. It's a little heavy. There's something over here that's actually catching my eye. It's this Santa glass. It's definitely contemporary. It's very fun though. All right, let me get back on track here. What is that thing? Blue point. That's different. Oh my gosh, look at this. Santa nesting dolls. I don't think there's anything in it though. I think it's an empty nest. Let's see. Single. Yeah. Dang, he's got a great face to him too. And before I move on, I just saw the Cats on Chain family. How much is that? $10, and one's missing an eye. I kind of like that. It's a little endearing. I think I am gonna leave them behind though. Wait, what does this say? Fenton style vase, $10. That's kind of fabulous. Wonder if that glows. It's kind of fun to have my black light out. I never really bring it. I always forget it. No. But what about this? That's different too. Pink with green. That's fun. Again, is this a hippopotamus nesting doll? Interesting. Oh my gosh, look up here. Ah! So short. What? Wanamaker, porcelain, angels, choir boys. They're like the little Hold Howard heads. For the pair, 15% off. Wow. The thing with these are they're so kind of hard to manage because of the paper on the bottom, and they're in such good condition. I think I'm gonna take them. Now this looks like Mount Washington glass, amphora shaped. So pretty. I love that style of satin. All right, now I'm off to one of the booths I've been waiting for. I love this booth. You never know what you're gonna find buried in here. You gotta dig for it, kinda. Well, I was going for the Joseph Originals Chihuahua, but I can see, I don't think that is actually. I think that's Norcrest, and it's got a little chip on its ear. Dogs. Oh my gosh, look at that spooky Raggedy Ann. I'm looking for cats, man. Where are they at? Are they like right in front of me and I'm just not seeing it? I just see dogs. Strange. This though, I feel like I looked at this last time. 15, no? 15. Vintage Flapper Girl. Wow, she's fantastic. And it's 10%. I don't know if I could get away with that. Oh, it's Christ. Yeah. Let's see. Over $10. 15% off. Okay. So yeah, she'd come to like $13. I feel like that's safe. I'm gonna grab her. This is another boot that has unbeatable prices. The blue Southern Belle. I think that's Mosser. It's also $3.50. Kind of feel like I can't go wrong on that. I'm gonna pick that up to kind of average out my cost average some. And then what's down here? That's really pretty. Thought it was glass though. It's ceramic. Oof, here's another thing I really appreciate. The 1950s vinyl Christmas boots. Those are really fun. I've only had one of them once. They're hard to find in good condition. Even harder to find in good condition at a reseller's price. There's something in here that's making me look twice. I'm sure it's not what I think it is. It already looks like it's probably not what I think it is. How do you open this thing? Oh, right like that. Duh. Is this? Dude, actually, no, it's not. It's a knockoff. Wow, duh. I had a feeling. I saw the $12 price tag. Interesting. Okay. Back at it. Little head base hiding back here. Oh, she's got a broken finger. Yeah. Gonna leave that. Look at this. This is cute with the little Bakelite top. Wow. Okay. First of all, I can't ignore this. Obsessed with this combo. $185. Wow, that's so great. Another thing I saw in the case over this way, I'm gonna make myself dizzy over here, is this cat. I think I might have looked at this before and it was out of my price range. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, $72. That is fabulous. And I love the Bjorn. Oh my gosh, and look at that left-in cat and dog. Wait, does that say, is this unlocked? All right, well, I'm obsessed with this. It's $22 and 15% off, not marked firm, right? I've never seen this exact one before. I cannot, in good conscience, leave this behind. I'm gonna pay up for it a little bit. I think it's completely worth it. That is such a great cat. I'm still upset about the Lucite one, but at least I'll be able to make a couple bucks off this one. Oh, it's missing a flower though. Dang, let me do the math. So it comes to like $19. It is missing that flower right there, and it's got it's got multiple chip flowers. Dang. Well, if it was for me, I would do it, but for resale, I don't think I can swing that, unfortunately. Oh my gosh, look at this fun little snowman. It's, somebody made that. I had a devil one that sold like crazy. Oh, this case always has such great stuff. I found that amazing duck here the last time. These are very cool. The stars. Wow, I really like this Empoli jar. I got this Empoli pink bottle that I'm obsessed with from Mike. It was like my favorite thing in his house. I finally talked him into selling it to me. Here's another nook where I found some really great stuff last time. Like, look at this. This is $11.50. Oh, it's got damage on the bottom, I was gonna say. And then this is the other nook where I really cleaned up. Love the pink. Wow, look at this crazy thing. This is the stuff I was talking about. Stevens and Williams, as is, $13. What's as is about it? These are usually as is. I see one of the flowers is chipped, but still, I bet that might even do something fun. Hold on, let's see. No, not this one. Oh, it's like so tempting. It's just got a chipped flower on it. I don't know, man. I already bought a couple things that were as is today. I think I'm kind of forcing it. Look at this. This is gorgeous. $31. Not bad, I would say. This is one that I'm kind of on the fence about, honestly. It's $29. It's Northwood. It's a really nice carnival glass. I don't know, man. You know what, though? It looks like it's got some type of weird scratching on it. That makes me second guess it. That's probably why it's still there. This is quite fantastic over here, this Morgantown glass. I love the blue. I don't usually go into this booth. I'll show you what brought me in. Hold on. Yeah, it was actually these cats here. 30% off, $150 though. And I believe this one's probably going to be about the same price. Yep. Very cool though. I love the cats. As I'm sure you're aware, the other thing I see back here is this plate. I'm sure it's out of my price range though. Oh, look at the duck plate. Oh my gosh, these are so sweet. Yeah, $29. Even with the discount, it's a little close for me. Well, I spent $70 in there. I ended up giving the glass Southern Belle to the cutest little girl who was looking at it, and she said that she had been looking for one for her grandmother for Christmas. I mean, just kill me. So sweet. So $70. Got some good stuff, and I'm ready to go on to the next. I'll see you guys when I get there.